Coconut oil and yeast infections, let's talk about it. Okay, so coconut oil is a very common home remedy for yeast infections and bacterial vaginosis, but what does existing scientific research say about it? So the thing about coconut oil is that it contains high amounts of something called GML, or glycerol monolaurate, and GML is sort of like soap. It's a surfactant that breaks up oil and grease, and it's this activity of breaking up lipids that gives it its antimicrobial effect. And some evidence shows that the GML in coconut oil can inhibit the growth of candida, which is the type of fungus that causes a yeast infection when it overgrows in the vaginal microbiome. And it does so without affecting the good or protective bacteria in the vaginal microbiome, which are known as lactobacilli. So GML is really the key ingredient in coconut oil that is effective against candida. But the thing is that GML hasn't been tested in humans, especially not human vaginas. And while coconut oil is partially made up of GML, it has other components as well. On top of that, we don't really know what the effective dose of coconut oil would be for a person dealing with a vaginal infection. And finally, it's also kind of hard to keep high levels of GML in the vagina because the vagina is self-cleaning, and so it will try and get rid of those goopy things that it thinks it doesn't need. The good news on the scientific front is that there is a research group that's trying to formulate a vaginal cream with varying levels of GML, so we should know more in the future.